Today, we will see how we can calculate and write ratios in Excel. If we had to write for every 19 student, 4 teachers are needed, then literally we can write 4 to 19. But mathematically, we write it using colon in place of 2. Now, instead of writing the numbers, we'll link cells to make our result dynamic. We'll type equal to B2 ampersand open double quotes space colon space close double quotes ampersand and B3. Okay, so now when we change the numbers, our ratio changes accordingly. Now let us call the number of teachers and students dynamically from the right hand side data. In this table, we have list of names with specified role, that is teacher or student. To derive total number of teachers and students from here, we'll use COUNTIF. We'll type equal to COUNTIF open parenthesis. Here we need to select the rows containing roles. Now if you see, I have selected the range of cells, but in formula it shows as table and row. This is because our data is in Excel table format. The objective behind formatting the data in table is that whenever we add new rows, it will automatically get included in our formula. We'll put comma here. We need to select the value we want to count in the range, that is A2, and close parenthesis. So we got the number of teachers in the list. If you want to know more about COUNTIF, then I have a special dedicated video on it. I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. Now, we'll just press Ctrl D to copy our above formula, and we got the number of students in the list. And with that, we got the ratio as 3:23. Now let us add some new data to test our formula. We can see that the formula has updated perfectly. But we don't want to show the result as 4:24. Although it is perfectly valid, but it's much easier to understand ratios if we simplify it. We'll need to use a formula that can find greatest common factor of these two numbers and divide each one with that. So we'll divide B2 with GCD, open parenthesis, and select both the above numbers and close parenthesis. Likewise, we'll divide B3 with GCD, open parenthesis, both the above number and close parenthesis. And now we have a simplified ratio. Now when we summarize this, we have used two COUNTIF formulas and third to concat both COUNTIFs by dividing each with GCD. We can even write all these three in single cell with let function. Let us see how this can be done. Equal to let open parenthesis. We'll just increase the formula bar area so that we can see multiple lines. After parenthesis, we'll move to next line with Alt Enter. Here, we'll have to define a name which will store our following formula. So let's define the name as teacher, comma, and our formula will be COUNTIF, open parenthesis, table 2, roll, comma, open double quotes, teacher, close double quotes, and close parenthesis, comma. So this has stored our COUNTIF formula in teacher name. Now we'll press Alt Enter for new line. Similarly, we'll do for students. Student, comma, COUNTIF, open parenthesis, table 2, roll, comma, open double quotes, student, close double quotes, and close parenthesis, comma. So this has stored our COUNTIF formula in student name as well. Now we'll press Alt Enter for new line. Likewise, we'll define GCD also. GCD, comma, GCD, open parenthesis, teacher, comma, student, close parenthesis, comma, alt enter for new line. So now we have teacher count in teacher name, student count in student name, and greatest common factor of both in GCD. So finally we will concat this to get our ratio. Teacher divide by GCD, ampersand, open double quotes, space, colon, close double quotes, ampersand, student divide by GCD, alt enter for new line, and close parenthesis, and we got the result. So this is how we can calculate ratio in single cell with let function. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.